This is Matt, and this will be a video on Letterboxd featured lists. So the Letterboxd featured lists, how do you actually find them? I'm right here on the main Letterboxd page. I'm just here on desktop letterboxd.com. So in order to find this, you will come up to lists at the very top right here. So this is the main list display. So you can access this on mobile, on the app as well, and on desktop like I am right here. Then you'll click on all at the top here where it says featured lists. And we can see right here, this is the featured list section. So this is described by Letterboxd as a starter pack from the community and beyond. So we have all of these lists here, which they highly recommend. Now, I'm just going to pause here slightly just to show you the difference between the main stats list. So I'm right here on my profile and stats. I'll show you actually how to get there. If I was here on my profile and I click on stats even, scroll down and we see the list progress. Now, I just wanted to show you this is the infamous list, the featured lists progress page. So this shows you these 16 lists here are what Letterboxd deem as kind of, I guess, like a kind of a modern canon. So if you complete these, essentially you've seen most of the great cinema out there. That's the theory anyway. You can do featured and you can actually nominate your own lists right here. I just wanted to show you that these are the central lists that everyone talks about when they say about list progress and the main stats lists. Now, these lists are included here on featured lists. Also, if you want to get here quickly, letterboxd.com/lists/featured, you can just wind up right here. I will put that link in the video description as well. But this actual section of featured lists actually has a lot more lists than the main list I just showed you there. So there's all kinds of different sections right here, everything from the Letterboxd community ones down to the award winners, studios and collections. We've got other top film lists right here, as well as the year in review ones for all of the different years. I mean, that's quite useful. We can click into any of these and we can find a list. So, I mean, Letterboxd is just obviously a great site. It's a great app. And it keeps on getting better. You've got filmmaker recommendations. So, I mean, this is pretty cool, isn't it? You've got the Wes Anderson's favourites, Ingmar Bergman's favourites, Sofia Coppola, Guillermo del Toro, Robert Eggers, David Fincher, so on and so forth. Click into any of these and you get the list. You can see these are blanked out as I've seen these films. I've just got that setting right here to fade the watched films. But hopefully you found this video on Letterboxd featured lists and this whole featured list section that they now have useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like